So I'm really excited. Well, to the point where I'm like drooling. Good morning, everyone. I woke up craving some Korean fried chicken. So I'm going to try making it at home today. So I'm gonna make my marinade first. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, black pepper, then a tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon of ginger. Mix everything together. So I just cut the chicken thighs into equal sizes so that they will all cook around the same time. So I'm gonna make 2 batches. The first one was a Vietnamese style chicken marinade. Then I'm gonna make a plain batch, but I still have to marinate it so it doesn't taste too bland. For this, I'm using 1 tablespoon of soy sauce again, another teaspoon of ginger, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, a little bit of salt to season, and some pepper as well. I'm gonna mix the marinade in. So for the soy sauce honey garlic sauce, I will be using 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. It's a lot of garlic, but I love garlic, so. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. One more time. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. The chicken marinade is done. It's been in the fridge for around 2 hours. I'm gonna start putting in some curry powder into the plain marinade that I did with the soy sauce. Then I'm gonna sprinkle in like 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm doing it in really small batches because my pan is kind of small and I don't want to overcrowd the chicken, but it is cooking. And this is my second station for letting them cool. And this is the sauce that I'm going to simmer, and it's gonna get thicker, and then I'm gonna divide the batches of chicken and then see which chicken marinade will go best with this soy sauce garlic honey glaze. And as it's cooking, I am going to pour in the mirin, like around a tablespoon. So Mike at this station, and he like decorated it in like food style, and he used my kitchen rag. So I'm really excited. Well, to the point where I'm like drooling. So I'm really excited because I made 2 different batches, 2 different marinades, and this has curry and soy sauce, and this is more of the plain marinade, right? Like chicken karaage. And then this one I used the Vietnamese chicken marinade recipe. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like half of this pile and half of this pile. I'm gonna pour this Gyeocheon style honey soy sauce garlic glaze. So really, essentially, what we will be experimenting today, folks, is which combination, which marinade of chicken will be the winner. And I'm really excited to find out, because then that will be my go-to for parties or dinners. So hungry. So excited for this. I am chicken rich. I mean, to be honest, like all of this is delicious. It's just a matter of which flavor I like. This one was good, but I am curious to try like the plainer chicken karaage with the combination with the glaze. Yeah, I don't know. They're both good, but I think I do like the Vietnamese style chicken. But that glaze sauce is really good. It really tastes like Gyeocheon sauce. Oh man, I feel like we should watch like a football game or a basketball game. The Lakers game? Is there a Lakers game tonight? Okay, so verdict. Oh man, I like all 4, okay? I honestly I like all 4. I think it just depends what you are in the mood for. If you are in the mood for Japanese style chicken karaage, then I recommend the plain marinade with the soy sauce and garlic, salt, pepper. And if you are craving it a little bit more flavorful but no glaze, then I do recommend just sticking with the Vietnamese style chicken marinade. Within the glaze group, I like the Vietnamese style chicken with the Gyeocheon style glaze. So that is my verdict. And then also have a glass of beer because you earned it. Cheers. We finished it all. We're still working on this batch. You guys should try this at home. Tell me what your favorite version is, and we will see you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas. Good night.